Kotlin tutorial number 9, Lambdas and higher. A lambda in Kotlin is a function without a name, written between curly braces with separating parameters from the body. The last expression is the return value, no return keyword. Store it in a val and call it like a function. Function types are written int, string parameter types, then return type. When a lambda has exactly one parameter, skip the parameter name and use it instead. Kotlin auto-names the single parameter it. Use it for short lambdas where the meaning is clear from context. For long lambdas, or when nesting multiple lambdas, name the parameter explicitly to avoid confusion. Move the last lambda argument outside the parentheses, 0 extra syntax, same compiled bytecode. Drop the parentheses entirely when the lambda is the only argument. This trailing lambda rule is why Gradle's dependencies, Ktor's routing, and Compose's column look like built-in syntax, but are regular function calls. Write int boolean as a parameter type to accept any predicate function, no interface, no anonymous class, just a type. Return a function with the same notation, fun make multiplier, factor, int. This pattern replaces inheritance-based polymorphism with composable, stateless transformations. Pass an existing named function as a value using. No lambda wrapper needed. Is-even passes the is-even function as a int boolean. Method references work the same, string. Uppercase has type, string. Function references are more readable than wrapper lambdas and show intent clearly. Lambdas capture variables from the enclosing scope, including var variables, unlike Java lambdas, which require effectively final locals. The captured variable is boxed behind the scenes, so the lambda can modify it. Use closures to accumulate state across multiple calls without an explicit class.